Hello, my friends, to all my friends in the U.S., to all over the world. I am proud to introduce here in the USA, Lena, the head operator, owner of the Pen Boutique Shop. She will be on my Zoom Pen Hangout tomorrow, Saturday, which will be the 20th of February at 2 p.m. Central Time. So I hope you don't miss this special guest meetup with Lena. You can actually get to meet her and get to know her, and she can get to know you. So where is Lena located at? In Columbia, Maryland. That's where her shop is located. Now, she deals in all these major brands. Let me just say a few real quick. Mont Blanc is just one. Faber-Castell, you got Visconti, Waterman, Cross, Parker, Lamy. You have to go to her shop online and check it out. She's got many, many, many interesting things that will rock your world. So, about Lena. She has some very fine qualities about this lady. She listens to her customers. That's really important in my book. She actually listens to the customer. And she does everything she possibly can to fulfill their wishes. Now, it may not happen overnight. It takes time, depending on whatever the customer is wishing, wanting, needing to make this happen. But she does listen, and she'll do her best to make it happen. So, they have grown during the last decade into a world leader in retailing of fine instruments and gifts, but it has taken a lot of hard work. Lena married, family, so she's kind of taking care of two households, but she loves what she does. If you're a pen enthusiast or just getting into pens, you know what I'm talking about. It's this energy that's within you that makes you just feel and love what you're doing. That's her job, but she chose this because she has a passion for fountain pens like you and I do. She's a sister pen enthusiast. So, when I met Lena online, even though I haven't met her in person yet, I got to know her by her heart. She cares about people. She cares about the world. She cares about human life. She cares about the work she does. And that's why she works so hard to make this work. It's a dream that has come to be in existence for a decade and more. A lot of work, a lot of time put in this, not saying the cost to get into this. So, again, this Saturday, tomorrow, the 20th at 2 p.m. Central Time. Please join me on my Zoom Pin Hangout in welcoming Lena. You know, I've said this over and over again to the people. This is your time, my friends, to actually meet the owners of these shops. Actually get to meet them on my Zoom Pin Hangout. They get to meet you, get to know you, you get to meet them, you get to know them. How cool is that? So, I've been working with Lena behind the lines, trying to set up a date that's going to work for both of us. And it has, and it's happening. Answer this question. Do you like okay customer service, or do you like top-notch customer service? Do you like fountain pens of all types, of all prices? She has that too. Do you want someone to actually listen to you and understand your needs? She does that as well. Whoever walks into her store or gets her on her website is not just a number, but an actual person. She looks at each individual as a person with a need, not as just a number. Number one, what can I do for you? Okay. Thank you, goodbye. Nothing like that. She'll take her time. Her staff will take their time to help you find what you're looking for. They're not going to try to sell you anything you don't want. That's not their thing. They want to make you happy. They want to make you satisfied. Why? Well, that way you know them and you know, hey, they treated me as a real person. They understand what I wanted. They didn't try to shove this pen or that pen on me. So yeah, I want to come back and shop there again. Pretty cool place to hang out, isn't it? So, again, please make the time tomorrow to meet Lena from Pen Boutique, 2 p.m. Central Time. Mr. Announcer and Mr. Frank Overman, the room manager, will be there as well. And Mr. Tony,
Rusty C,
who joins me on Pen Pals, will be there as well. And a lot of other people. I'm excited. I'm like all up in the air. Lena from Pen Boutique. Let's rock it. Let's make this happen. Let's show the love and support. And we can make this happen. I believe in you. So, Lena from Pen Boutique, we shall see you tomorrow at 2 p.m. Central Time, my time, here in Fort Worth, Texas. Yes, I am Larry, the Pen Bug Guy. I love what I do. I believe in what I do, and I do it honestly, openly. I don't try to pretend something that I'm not. I don't try to pretend to be something big, something all that. I am just me. I love being me. I'm not a fake, not plastic. I'm the real deal. And you, my friends, you are the real deal. Like I've told you before, if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be here. You are the stars. Remember that. I'm not just saying that. You are. And I believe in you guys. You guys have been with me for a long time now. So enough said. So, a lot of peace and a lot of love and a lot of big hugs to each and every one of you. Remember, stay safe. Wash those hands, wear the mask, do the social distance, respect others. And as always, my friends, please don't pick up your phone and text while you're driving. Save someone's life as well as your own life. It is real important. I have seen buku wrecks happen. I have seen people get killed from doing this. Or talking on the phone, trying to drive, trying to punch in numbers, trying to drive. That's why I continue to say, please don't text and drive. I'm going to hang it up for today from Godzuki. God bless each and every one of you. Stay warm, stay safe. Help your brother and sister by peace and love. Peace and love. Goodbye, folks.